We started these assessment, generate report with AI research agent. Hope you able to see. Keep your internet stable. Yeah. The virtual machine is started. You can see this is a like a virtual machine that we need to log in into it. We need to log in into it. Here you can see our browser is very here it is a virtual machine of the Microsoft Azure. We can make it somewhat bigger by making our browser full screen, right? So for that, you can click function F11. That depends upon your or F11. So for that username that you can find here, you no need to type anything. You just click on this. It will automatically enters. Then give the tab. We are not able to see that password here, but you can just give the password by clicking on here. Then you just click on enter. It will be entering into the virtual machine. This is a virtual machine. Really better we can keep this browser somewhat. Is not happening. Okay, whatever. So we have entered into the virtual machine. Then we need to enter into the Microsoft Copilot. For that, open the Edge browser. All the instructions that you can find over here itself. So it is easy. You need to give this URL. You no need to type. Just click on it. It will autofill automatically and enter. And to make the browser somewhat smaller, better you what you can do. You can zoom out so that we can see something what is happening over there somewhat like around maybe you can keep around 50. Yeah, it is better only. Now we need to enter into this Microsoft Copilot. For that, give this username. Keep it over there and click on it. Then next, the pass key. Then click on sign in and click on S. We have successfully entered into the Microsoft Copilot. And just click on no, everything. No need to keep everything. It's just better if you close all this stuff so that we can see a better visualization of the virtual machine. Not able to do this. I am not understanding. It is taking inside virtual machine. Okay, whatever. So now what we do, we need to select here first. We need to upload the documents. So upload files. Click on the upload files. Files are uploaded. Where you can see files from the app. There is a OneDrive. Here, if you click on this OneDrive, you can find all the files from here. Whatever the files are loaded. And click on not now. And my files. If you go to the there it is my files, right? If you click on the my files, you can see the files over here. You can see the files over here, right? Okay, just keep it aside. Not very important as of now. Now, after completing this, what we need to do? We need to read the scenario. This is a scenario that is already given over there. There's some Project Cranberry is there, initiated by something travels, designed to launch, manage, blah, 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 something is there. You just read the things and we need to use the documents which are in the OneDrive, right? So we need to use the researcher for this, right? So from where we can get the researcher? Here we will be having the researcher. You need to just, here you can see something is coming. Let me make it full screen inside it. Here you can see the researcher. Click on the researcher. So this is the researcher that we are having and we need to type something over here, some prompt. So there are some tasks given over here. These are the tasks. In this we are having two. One is this that you can see use a researcher to create the comprehensive overview of the project Canberry for the marketing manager, something, something, something. We need to use the something documents over there and all this stuff over here, right? So when we are creating the response, we need to give, if it is asking anything for the confirmation, we need to give that, use your best judgment to generate the report and all. First create that information. So for that, what we need to do, we need to upload the documents first. Click on the plus, attach documents, attach files, come to the file. Then from this Canberry project, select all the files. There are 5 files in this folder. Select it. And we need to type the prompt over here, right? So the prompt is something like this. We need to use the research researcher to create the comprehensive overview. Maybe instead of typing, let me see whether it is working or not, the microphone, so that it is easy for us to uh, write the prompt instead of typing it, right? So, yeah, let me see. Hi, hi, hi. Is it listening or not? Hi, hi. No, it is not listening. Better we need to type it. Yeah. So we need to type it quickly. Why? Because it is a big prompt that we need to use here. So use researcher researcher to CRE. Yeah. No need to worry about spelling mistakes. So after giving this prompt, just click on this generate. So when it is doing this work, it will be asking you how I need to generate this something, the report length, everything it will be asking you. You can see the AI need to create the shorter or longer. So for that, it is given something that it is telling to create the review based on your best judgment. So you use your judgment. So it will create that. Now what you do, you create a one more tab, and here again you give the open the Copilot. So the link Copilot, it will be there, right? We click on this. It is a Copilot only, now. Yeah, it is a Copilot new chart that we have created now. Now we need to go to the in between. It is creating. It will take some time, right? In between, we start the second task. Okay, for the second task again, use the researcher agent. He is a researcher, yeah, researcher agent. For that, we need to use these overview jar overview file, and the whole document also, whole folder also, this project Canberry folder also. Select it. Now, for the second task, we need to check this document against the Canberry. This is a document, overview document created by some junior in the respective company. We need to check how the things are going on, though, right? So for that, again, we need to write a prompt using attached jar w dot docx docs report generate an extensive summary. Oh, after this, wait, yeah, click on this. And again, it will also ask you to create the report, shorter report or longer report. So thank you for your request. I can help, blah, blah, blah. You can see, go ahead with your bad judgment. So click on this directly and click on this. So it will generate that report. Meanwhile, you go to the first task again. Here we are having the first task. I think it is completed. Let me check it once. Have we completed it or not? Yeah, I think it is completed. Then after completing this, we need to go till the end of the report which is generated. Yeah, you can see this edit option, right? So click on this edit in page, right? You will be getting something like this. And click on this, click on the document. So can, oh, sorry, should not cancel it. Click on document, wait, it will be working on, yeah, open Word. It will be opening the Word, the document, right? The Word document is open now. We can close it, no problem. Not now, right? So what we need to do in the first task itself, they have given something to do after creating these, right? If you go to the first task, here after creating the report, we need to do all this stuff, create a copy. We need to save this, right? So files, create a copy online. Here we need to give the name as overview, 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 and create a copy. That's it. With this, we have completed the first task. We have successfully completed the first task, right? So again, you can close this, right? Come to the this task. I hope it is done or still it is creating. Yeah, let's wait for some time to create this report for the second task. Then let me minimize this part. Coming to the second part. Here in the second part, after creating that report, what we need to do, we need to create an email, right? We need to create an email and we need to send that email to this email ID. So we will see how are we going to do that. Let first complete this task. So we have done with the first task. So maybe if you are looking at this, maybe you can skip this part till the end, right? Where you can share this mail. Yeah, you can see the report it is generating. So let me keep it full size so that we can see the chart information and everything. Still it is generating that mail. Not mail, it is just reporting, generating the report by comparing the JR overview document and the Project Cranberry folder documents, right? So it is verifying the facts and all this stuff. It is generated. Now you can see we are having, you can write one more. Now, so again, here, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, use a researcher to, here you can write the same. You need to write this prompt, right? So use a researcher to generate an email message that contains the executive summary and include any factual errors that were found. Do not attach any documents to email. That's it. Just click on it. We need that email. It will be generating the email. Yeah, here is the draft mail that you can see with the subject and all. You can see this is a executive summary, Project Cranberry or something, something. You can see that. And this is a whole mail. Right. Now what we need to do, we need to open that mail over here. You can come to the app. You can see Outlook. Click on the Outlook. The mail will open. Right. Then click on the new mail. Here you need to provide these. Okay. For that, just decrease the size of this 50 so that we can visible it clearly. Still it is not. Yeah. Now close this, right? Maybe now you can increase somewhat to 50. 50. Now we have entered the email. This is the email that we have entered. Now take the subject executive summary report something. Copy this and paste it over here. And dear team, from here onwards, Maybe you can click on the shift button and press the shift button and down arrow till where you required. You can see, yes, I required something till the Margie's travel marketing team. Copy and paste it over here. We have done everything. And maybe at your name, your title and your name, you change this to the title that is given in the task that you can see created by RALF, RALF, RIETHMULLER. And that's it. Now what we need to do, we need to click on the send button. So email has been sent. That we can see if you go to the sent item, you can find that email that we have sent. That's it. With this, we have completed the task number 2. These are the 2 tasks that we need to complete over here. Right. That's it. You can close all this stuff and you can submit it. Just click on the submit, submit. Right. So like this, we need to complete the task. Hope it is clear, and wait for some time so that it will reflect the score to you, right?